We are going to use the Fluke high voltage probe. This device can produce up to the 30,000 voltage output. So what we have to do, that we have to give the input signal. If I'll giving the 1 voltage input, so they can produce the 3000 voltage output. If I'll giving the 10 volt, so they can produce up to the 30,000 volt. So I'm selecting function generator, then I'm selecting the 1 volt as a DC, and from here I'm selecting the 1 volt as a input signal. So just I have to sure that I'm selecting the 1 volt. The higher voltage can produce the more voltage output. So just I deactivating the input line and I'm turning on the emergency. From here I just remove the emergency, and this Fluke meter is connected with the multimeter. Next, about this multimeter, if it's showing the 1 volt, then it means that we are getting the output as a 3000 volt. So this is the input line. So what I have to do, that just I have to activate the input line from here. So now I am giving the 1 volt, and here I am getting the 3 volt. 3 volt means this probe have the 1000 attenuation. So this is the output of the 3000 output. If we can increase from the 2 volt the input, so we're going to get the 6000 volt as a output from here. And we cannot touch the probe during the measurement because they're producing the very high voltage and we get a shock from here. Thank you. Thanks for watching.